So now the new topic is operators. I mean set operator. Okay. So you all know about the set operator, union, intersection, okay, minus, all these things. So same concept we are going to do that. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, you just write it. Number one, you have to create a table. Okay. Right. Comment it. Create a table A. And the column name is ID. Okay. Only one column. And insert 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you have to create a table. Table name is A, having column ID, that is a number, and you have to insert first 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, like that. Create a table B. One more table you have to create. Yeah, that is done. Now create another table as a B, same column as ID, but here you insert 3, 4, 5, 6. And insert 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just do this thing, then we will proceed with the set operator. Control enter. Okay, table created. Now insert insert into A. Remove the table. Within bracket ID. You can write in ID there itself. After yeah. One column is you can write there. Correct. Bracket close.
Okay. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, sir.
There only bracket
Can you
close.
show that? Yeah.
Enter. Values. Enter. 1. 1 bracket close semicolon. Control enter. 1 row inserted. Now do make it 2. Now make it 3. Now make it 4 and run it. Okay. Now do select star from A. Semicolon. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 came.
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, insert into B 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
Perfect. Just drag it little bit. That output you want to see full. That output, so little bit drag it. Okay, fine. So now we have created two tables. One is A, one is B. In A, 1, 2, 3, 4. In B, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Okay. Now we'll do just save this thing. No, we don't need now. Control A, Control X. Huh? So here one more thing. After inserting, you have to do commit. Okay. Now write commit, commit and run it. So if you do commit, then permanently it will save all the things that we have done. That insert all the thing, it will commit permanently. Okay. Then now we'll do one by one our set operator. Okay. First one is union. Write the topic as a union. So write select ID from A. Enter one more enter. Select ID from A. Enter union. Select enter. Select ID from B. Semicolon. Run it. Next line. Enter. Select ID from B. Give semicolon. This is a one statement. Now run it. What you can see?
It is combined.
Okay. Natisha,
So it is combined. So union means it will give all combinedly from A and B. Okay. But is it giving the duplicate one?
No.
Because 3, 4, 3, 4 is there both table, right?
yeah.
No, it is not giving.
So it is not giving. Okay. Done. Now enter. Now same thing you write, instead of union, write union all. Next one is union all. Next, the first one is union, second one is union all. Okay, copy. Write the topic heading as a union all.
So is this correct?
Yeah, correct. Now run it.
Okay.
Now what you can see?
It is giving duplication.
Correct. So what it will give? Everything, whether it is duplicate also it will give. So 1, 2, 3 is there in the A, and 3, 4, 5, 6 is there in the B. So it will give both. Okay, all the duplicate also it gives. So this is the intro question. What is the difference between union and union all? Okay. So union it will give distinct value, and union all it will give the duplicate as well. Now next one is intersect. 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 Correct. Now do the same thing. Just write intersect. Okay. So intersect means it will give the common one. So 3, 4 is common, so it will give the common one. Clear?
Yes.
Now next one is minus. MINUS.
It is minus.
So minus means A minus B. That means from A we minus the B. So 3, 4, 3, 4 minus. Now remaining A is 1, 2. Okay. Now if you do B minus A, what will happen?
5, 6 will come.
Correct. Do that. So if you do B minus A, it will become 5, 6.
Okay.
Okay. So this
Yes.
is all about your set operators. Clear? Any doubt? Anyone has any doubt till now?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah, you can save it. Now we'll go for the arithmetic operator. So before going to arithmetic operator, let's see what is dual. DUAL.
2. Dual means 2, right, sir?
Okay, no, DUAL. Okay, dual is a domitable in Oracle. Okay, so right, select star from.
He is already in this file. We will share it after this one. In Drive.
Select star.
Dual, DUAL. Star from, not table, dual. Remove the table. Semicolon. Control enter. Okay, so dual is a dummy table where we can use to do all the rough calculation, say temporary table kind of thing. So where we can do some rough calculation in Oracle is there. Okay, by default it is a dummy table. You can write it's a dummy table in Oracle. And the value initially, I mean, default value will be X. So now do okay, and right, select one from dual. Select one from dual. One from dual. So in the dual, whatever you will write, it will give that one only. Okay. And column name also, it will come that. Suppose you want to change the column names, what you have to write after one. After one, give a space as as within double quote. Give some name. Let's say some column one, COL1, column one. Run it.
Yes.
Remove that comment. Okay. So here, what will happen? Like, as column one means it is a alias name we are giving to change the name of the column. Okay. So you want to change the name of the column means you can give as, then this column name, whatever you want to give. Okay. Now we'll go to the all the arithmetic operators, like how we do. Let's say plus. So select, right, select 10 plus 5 from dual. You want to give some column name means you can give the column name as sum or as a result. as result. From dual. Semicolon, control enter. Okay, like that, all the arithmetic operation you can do, plus, minus, into, division. Just copy paste and just do it once.
Yes, that's
Okay, so now you can do like this from the dual. Let's say you want to do from some table. Okay, select star from table. EMP, select star from EMP. Now I want from here only select name and salary. Name means what is the column?
This is mirror it says.
E name.
in
Yeah. From dual. From you write in the next line, enter. Okay. From EMP. Okay. Now here what you have to do, let's say I want to give all the employees some 100 rupees bonus. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to add that bonus column. How to add the bonus column? It's not adding in the database.
insert.
Okay, it's not adding in the database. It's just
Okay.
calculate and it will show as a report. Okay, so enter
Okay.
uh, select ename comma salary, comma salary plus 100. No, salary comma, no, salary, you write salary also, salary comma salary plus 100 as bonus. Give some alias name as a bonus. From EMP, within quote, from EMP. Always try to write select in one line and from in next line. Okay, it's a good practice.
Okay.
That from you put in down. So you can see here, see this is the arithmetic operator. You can do it. Some calculation means what you can do, like salary is there now, just 1 to 100 rupees, but it is not updating. Okay, update is different. Update means you are actually updating, but here just to view. Select means just to view. It's not updating in the database. Clear? But
Okay.
but if you want to actually you want to update means you have to use update statement, DML statement. Clear? This is nothing but arithmetic operator. How you are going to use, right? This is nothing but plus minus
Yes.
into whatever you can use. Clear?
Why we given
Yes.
salary plus 100 there, sir?
Okay, salary plus 100. Let's say our requirement is all the employee got 100 rupees hike. Okay.
Okay.
So just a report. Manager want to see that. Okay, I want to see after adding this much, how much they are getting total.
Okay.
But I don't want to update in our actual table. Just a report purpose. I want to see that. That's it.
Okay.
So in that case, what we'll do, we are not doing update statement. We are doing only select statement just to view if I add this, how it looks. What will be the
Okay.
output? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any further doubt?
Nanda, my question is this: mirror recharge basically is a recharge storage country, right? So basically, there was an X series before. Now it is come. Everything are.
Okay. So now, what you do? This is all our arithmetic operators like plus. You can use plus, minus, into whatever. Just like that, you can calculate. And now let's go to the next operator. That is nothing but a relational operator.
Yes. Satish, we can send this to Santosh, and he'll give actually which country we are reaching this particular cost center. He will give you. PPM will give you details.
Relational operator. Relational.
Yeah,
No.
because
What's the
yeah.
Relational.
relation?
Relational operator. Okay. So relational operators are there. So what are the relational operator? Equal to, right? Equal to, within bracket you write equal to sign. No, single equal to. In but in Python it is double equal to. So equal to, not equal to, not equal to, you can write exclamatory equal to, or you can write smaller than, greater than also. Or you can write smaller than, greater than. That is also not equal to. No, not comma. In between, don't give comma. Continuously, smaller than, greater than. Correct. So equal to, not equal to, then greater than equal to, smaller than equal to. These are called your relational operator. Okay.
Yeah. If you
Now
send him,
let's
he will
see
give.
one by one. Now select
So
star
for
from employee.
current one, yeah.
Run it. Yeah. So now I want whose job is manager. Can you find it? Whose job is manager?
No, only for current one.
No, select. I want all the column names. I want all the column names whose job is manager.
Okay.
So select star from EMP. You write from in the next line. then enter. So always try to write select one line from one line where close one more line. Okay.
Nanda,
So where
Nanda,
job equal to
sorry, Nanda, this was the process.
job equal to manager. When you're writing manager, you have to give single quote and you have to write it's a case sensitive. That means you have to give manager is there as a capital all, so you have to give all capital. Or else control enter, do control enter, it won't come anything.
And gather. You should not push everything on Raju. We should,
No need to select, just do control enter. JOB.
Nandan.
Okay, it not select, didn't select anything because
Yes, Nandan.
manager all are capital. MANAGER, all are capital. Now do. Okay, you got it. Perfect. Now just run that select star from employee. Okay. Now I want like that you can do equal to and not equal to also. Okay. So let's say whose salary, whose department number not equal to 30. Do that. Whose department number not equal to 30.
Not equal to 30.
30. Okay, like that. So whichever it will come, which is not equal to 30. Now that is equal to not equal. Now greater than, let's say whose salary greater than 3000. Now write again. Like that, greater than and smaller than also you can do it.
Yes.
Okay. So like that. So these are called all which operator?
Relational.
Relational operator. So equal to, not equal to, greater than, smaller than, greater than equal to, smaller than equal to. So like that you can use all this in your where condition to filter the values. Clear? You can save it. So clear. So operators, what we did, set operator, nothing but union, intersection, minus. Okay. Now arithmetic operators, you can do all this plus, minus, into, division. Then the relational operator, you can do smaller than, greater than, equal to, not equal to, smaller than, equal to, greater than, equal to. Okay. So we'll do the next topic in our next session.